Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix MPRT option grayed out in settings on KOORUI 24E4. If you go to the settings with the M button, then go to game, enter it and go to MPRT and it's grayed out, then it's most probably because in your system on your computer you have a wrong frame rate set. So this monitor supports up to 165 Hz, and to enable it, if you have 60 Hz enabled, then most probably you won't be able to use MPRT, and it makes sense. I don't even know why would anyone get 60 Hz. Most probably you just have 60 Hz because that's how it was on default, and it's really worth changing it so you can use your monitor to the max. And yeah, go to the system in the settings, then go to display. Now scroll down until you find advanced display and select the display to change it on. I'm gonna select, of course, the 24E4. Now you can choose your frame rate here. And for some reason I don't have this 165 Hz available here. Maybe it's because of the cable that I'm using. I don't really know that. But I just set it to 120 Hz and it works. And you saw that earlier. Now if I would change it to 60 Hz, it'll load for a moment. And now I'm gonna keep the change so it doesn't go back. And now let's click on M to go to menu, game, E. You can see MPRT is grayed out. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.